Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I had a dentist appointment and decided to stop at Dollar Tree. I'll start off by sharing what I saw while I was in store that was new to me. This Puerto Rican coffee is called Café El Morro and I had never seen it before. Cans of coconut milk from the brand Azul. There was a section with a bunch of different dried fruits and vegetables. These look really good. And in the snack section I found these peach rings that are with chili and lime. They also had toasted corn and peanuts. Last time I shared these Coffee Delight candies and I picked up 2 bags. The section I spend the most amount of time in is the nail section, and I love looking at every single thing they have. I found these iridescent fake nails. They're oval shaped and they're really pretty. LA Colors is a brand they regularly carry, so that section is always full. And I've been looking for the Wet n Wild matte top coat, which I haven't been able to find in a while. I'm starting to think I won't be able to get those anymore. They also had a lot of Kiss nail glue. I also noticed some LA Colors nail tips and the Sassy and Chic white ones. They had an LA Colors creamy jelly display, but I really didn't find any that looked like jelly polishes. Most of them were dried up and they didn't look really good. This purple one was really cute, but it was all dried up. Here's another one of those LA Colors nail tips. These makeup brushes have been around for a while, but I hadn't seen the bigger sizes in my store. They had a clear bin with Kiss gel nail polishes, but none of them really caught my eye. LA Colors face primer and Revlon eyeshadow loose powder. They had different shades of the face primer. This one is clear. I also found these contour sticks. Here's an overview of the LA Colors makeup that they have. As I was panning through this section, I noticed these bottles of nail polish remover. They're from a brand I've never seen before. Here it's Nuvel, and it's a spill-proof pump. And I recently bought one of these at Family Dollar in my previous haul I showed you guys, but I didn't try these. I really want to try it to see how well it works, but it looks like it's similar to the one that I already have. They had another one of these LA Colors displays, but this one says Shimmer Polishes. And right on top of that, they had the whole section of dashing nail tips, so they have a bunch of different colors. Right besides the face mask, I noticed this Jade facial roller, which really caught my attention because I've never tried one of these, and it's for $1, it's amazing. I got one to try it out. And this pink one looks like it's an under eye massager, but I didn't get that one. I love these packets of 3 mini jars. Here's a closer look at the face masks. This yellow polish caught my eye. It's called Sunlight. And look at this green one from Sassy and Chic, number 925. It looks so pretty. And this green is called Spellbound. Beautiful, colorful glitter. It's so pretty. Now let's look at the things I got. Let's start with these Waffy cubes. They're strawberry cheesecake flavored wafers. It's 7.0 ounces and it says that it's a product of India. Let's open them up and try them. Wow, it smells so good. They're really flaky and they're very, very sweet, so you really can't eat a lot at once. I was really excited to try this toasted corn with chili and lime because I really love Tajín, but they tasted kind of weird. To be honest, I don't think I'll be getting these again. Now the peach rings, on the other hand, were so delicious. They are completely covered with Tajín and they do have a little kick, but it's that type of spice that's just so delicious, and combined with the sweetness of the peach rings, it was perfect, a really yummy snack. 1 box of this Pillsbury traditional chocolate cake mix, and it's great because you only need 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. I got 2 different kinds of pretzel sticks. These are honey wheat and they're a little bit thicker. They're from the Pennysticks brand. And this other bag is the Snyder's thin pretzel sticks. Oven baked fudge striped shortbread cookies. I wanted to try these Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix. I've never tried these before and it's a simple recipe. You only need to add oil and water. I showed you guys these Coffee Delight coffee candy and we had to refill our jar, so I got 2 bags to make sure we don't run out. I got this pack of Top Ramen beef flavored, and these soups come 5 in this pack and they're individually wrapped. I'll open it and show you guys. I actually thought it was going to be $1 per soup, but it was $1 for all 5 soups, so that was really awesome. I got 2 packs. This is such an easy snack to do, and I really love the way it is. Sometimes you just feel like having something warm that's fast to prepare. I boil 2 cups of water. Once the water is boiling, I add the noodles, and I boil them for about 3 minutes. Then I add the little packet of seasoning, and sometimes I like to add a little bit of sour cream, which makes it a little bit creamier, and I really like the way that tastes. Other times I just leave it with just the water and it's fine. It tastes really good too. This is how it looks without the sour cream, and this is how it is when I add the sour cream. The last few items are what I consider nail related or beauty related. These reusable gloves are the ones that I like to buy at Dollar Tree. They're heavy duty. I get the size medium. I think they only have medium and large available, and it's from the Scrub Buddies brand. And I always use these whenever I'm doing the dishes to protect my nails. And this is what they look like. They're just simple, plain, and pink, and very pretty. Let me try it on. So they fit me well, and it has a textured grip. I have some other ones that I'm using right now from a different brand, but when I always like to have some in stock, so I got a pair to keep in stock. I was really excited to find this Jade facial roller. I've never tried one of these, and for $1 you really can't beat that. This one is from the Sassy and Chic brand, and it says 360-degree rotating ball, relax, relieve, tighten. Instructions on how to use it: wash your face, then roll Jade roller twice daily, morning and night. Use favorite essential oils to maximize results. So let's open it up. It looks really good, and it feels pretty heavy. Like, I thought this was going to be a cheap material, the handle, but it looks like it's the same material as the top. It feels really nice. It does stop rolling. I don't know if you can see that, but well, if I press it hard, more firmly, it does just roll without any problems. But it does feel nice and cold. I'm looking forward to trying this out on my face. The last item is this beautiful LA Colors Color Craze Glitter Polish. This one is number 646, and it is called Craze. It has really pretty glitters: pink, teal, yellow, lime green, and I think there's a little light orange one. And to me, it reminds me of confetti. It's so cute. I have a white nail, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it to see how it looks. For glitters like these, when they're in a clear liquid, I usually use a sponge to apply them just to ensure that I get the most glitter on the nail and not too much of the clear polish. But right now, I think I'm just gonna swatch it directly onto the nail from the brush. Okay, that's not too bad. I like to spread them out on my nail, so this is how I would apply it on my nail if I were using it. Like, I try to use the brush to separate them and put them on different parts of the nail. That's pretty. I love the combination of colors that these glitters have. The base of the polish is clear, but obviously this nail swatch is white, so it really pops. I'll be using this in a manicure pretty soon. Those are all the items I had to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye!